What are we bringing in?
That's a tiny small. Look at that.
It's probably the one I caught yesterday.
The sections.
The worms, the whole length of the bass.
That's crazy.
What do we got? It's that perch, isn't it?
Nah, it's a chub.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Kind of blurry when I zoom in.
Yeah,
Yo,
don't zoom in.
yo, he's a big one, man. Damn.
Got the zoom out?
Yep.
Alright. Gotta give him a nice release real quick.
Wow, he took off.
Yep. There we go. That's another largemouth, or?
Yeah, another largemouth.
Nice.
Get the hook out of him so I can hold him up.
Hello, baby.
Cool.
That's a creek bass for you. Alright. Sweet. Nice. What we got? Better bass this time. Hell yeah.
Oh, he's fat, bro.
What
He's fat.
do you think of the spot, man?
Beautiful spot, bro.
This is awesome. We're getting some decent ones now. Awesome. That's a tiny little creek. Gone. Got another one. What we got?
Oh
You got twofer! He got his first twofer! Hell no!
Oh, yo.
Yo, 2 chubs! That is sick!
Except for hooks too, bro.
That is sick! No, Mike! No! He did it on a cricket! No!
I can honestly say that's a first.
Oh man, best day ever. I don't care what you say.
By the time you not have my pliers in
You want me to go ahead and pause it, help you out?
you. Yeah, bro.
Alright. This is the twofer right there. Do a little release.
Two that I caught off the cricket.
This guy. There we go.
Oh, no, don't go belly up.
Go. You guys are okay.
Swim. There you go.
Lazy fish. Lazy fish.
Alright. Brandon's got something with his fly rod.
Nice little chub.
Got a little chub.
Got him on the Stonefly. Nice.
Nice little guy.
Awesome. This little guy.
What do you got on there?
Switched up to the scud. I seem to like that better than the Stonefly there. You guys see that beehive back there? That thing is huge. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Let's go kick it, Mike. What you think? Hold up. I'm gonna get a little better shot of it. No, I'm not. I'm good, man. I definitely don't want to do that. I don't want to do anything but get a... Oh, man. No. No. Yep, that's a nope.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
I think it's a decent chub.
Yeah. It's like the first one you caught. He's decent size.
Let's have another chub. Yep. Nice quick one. That reeling in with a quickness. Knocking off. Not today.
So many bass. Yo, why does it take me forever to do this? But like...
Takes me like 2 seconds.
Yeah, you know. There we go.
Awesome.
What the hell is that?
Nice bass. There we go. Nice little creek. Largemouth for her. There we go. Awesome.
Kind of seen, but not really.
I think we just got a whole bunch of chub and bass.
Yoked it. Yeah, that's all we got out of here so far. Plus one bluegill.
Yep. Awesome.
The good old fly rod.
That's a bluegill right there.
Ah. Oh, frog jumping at my feet over here.
There we go, man.
Hey, try to grab that frog. Get him as bait. Sweet. Oh wait, I didn't just say that on camera. We're not going to use this frog for bait. He will not be a bass's lunch.
Alright.
I plead the fifth.
Got another one. Oh, it's not a chub. Another nice little smallie. Is that the one you first caught when you got here?
No,
It looks just like it.
that's a large, isn't it?
Yeah, the other one's
It's smaller.
the other one's large.
Yeah, you said it's a nice little smaller. It's a
Oh
large
yeah,
one.
there we go. Awesome.
Beautiful log.